Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to delete text from table in Google Docs without deleting table. So let's started. At first, open your docs file. Firstly, then you show the table text. This table text is delete text from table without deleting table. Firstly, now I can say select your all table text. I am going to the text color option and click for the white color option. That's okay. And click for the table behind option for click. That's okay. Then I show the delete text from table in Google Docs without deleting table. It's very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.